and that is that if everyone's going to make the effort to be here at 9 o'clock on a Sunday morning, we want to make sure that we all get some serious value out of it.
To be a leader means that you're willing to put yourself in a future that doesn't exist yet and then inspire and call your people to help you fulfill on it. It is never what happens to us that defines us. It is the story we tell ourselves as a result.
I believe that through self-leadership, no matter what challenge, no matter what obstacle you are faced with, I believe that beggars can be choosers.
Remember, progress is better than perfection and better before bigger.